I ate bread yesterday. I ate bread yesterday. I went to work yesterday. I went to work yesterday. I read a book yesterday. I read a book yesterday. She played tennis last week. She played tennis last week. She drank here last week. She drank tea last week. She wrote an email last week. She wrote an email last week. I watched TV yesterday. I watched TV yesterday. I slept well yesterday. I slept well yesterday. I cooked dinner yesterday. I cooked dinner yesterday. I helped my neighbor yesterday. I helped my neighbor yesterday. She bought bread last week. She bought bread last week. I took a bus yesterday. I took a bus yesterday. I opened the door yesterday. I opened the door yesterday. I called my friend yesterday. I called my friend yesterday. She washed clothes last week. She washed clothes last week. She ran fast last week. She ran fast last week. I sang songs yesterday. I sang songs yesterday. I traveled yesterday. I traveled yesterday. I painted a picture yesterday. I painted a picture yesterday. I got emails yesterday. I got emails yesterday. I swam yesterday. I swam yesterday. I fed the cat yesterday. I fed the cat yesterday. I delivered packages yesterday. I delivered packages yesterday. She fixed the car last week. She fixed the car last week. I carried a box yesterday. I carried a box yesterday. She went to school last week. She went to school last week. I played soccer yesterday. I played soccer yesterday. I drank water yesterday. I drank water yesterday. She watched a movie last week. She watched a movie last week. She slept early last week. She slept early last week. I bought milk yesterday. I bought milk yesterday. I sold apples yesterday. I sold apples yesterday. She opened the door last week. She opened the door last week. She called her friend last week. She called her friend last week. I ran fast yesterday. I ran fast yesterday. She sang songs last week. She sang songs last week. She traveled last week. She traveled last week. I arrived yesterday. I arrived yesterday. She painted a picture last week. She painted a picture last week. She got the emails last week. She got emails last week. She swam last week. She swam last week. She fed the cat the last week. She fed the cat for last week. She delivered packages last week. She delivered packages last week. She carried a box last week. She carried a box last week.